become a pastry chef because, as they say, that the key to someone's heart is through their stomach. It gives me immense pleasure and joy to feed people and create these amazing desserts out of simple ingredients. My favorite dessert to bake is crème brûlée. It's a classic French dessert. I have baked it for my grandmother very fondly. She really enjoys it. My favorite part in it is the torching part, as the sugar crystallizes, and then when you break into it and you take a bite, there's a perfect crunch to it, there's a perfect bite to it. So in the middle of lockdown, I started my own bakery from home. It's called Huner, and I would cater to a small number of people around me. I would bake cookies and tea cakes and just things in my own forte. So I want to do a lot of healthy baking and introduce that in the culture and the industry of chefs and baking. My most favorite thing about being in the bakery is creating these amazing things out of simple ingredients and then feeding it to my friends and my chefs here, and just to get that reaction on their face that they really liked it and that, you know, it's matched their taste palettes. I'm learning so much on campus, so many things that one just dreams as a chef, and gather more experience even stepping out of here. So I want to take this ahead in my career and open my own bakery eventually.